Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Makartt's new nail art decoration kits, and I'm also going to be doing a design at the end of the video. At the time that I'm recording, these kits are not on their website, so once the kits go live on the website, I will update my description box with the link for each kit that I showed you in the order that I showed you. So if you're watching the video and there's no links, come back in about 24 hours and there will be links for the video. So let's get into everything that they sent. This first kit, these are the glitters that are in the kit, and it's more like a Valentine's Day type of deal. I really like this one that looks like a piece of candy, and these are the stickers that come in the kit. The second kit is some rose gold pieces and then some white pieces that are encased in gold. Some of the pearls have micro beads, gold and silver, and these are the stickers that come in the kit as well. And I'm just going to show you guys each kit, and I do want to give you a quick update. I did purchase a home. I am now in the process of doing a little bit of renovations, and I will be moving soon. So after I move and I'm settled, I will be more consistent with my content, but I kind of already let you guys know that I wouldn't be uploading as much. I do have some videos recorded. My nail room's actually like 75% packed up, which is why I just did a nail art design video for this video, nail art design set for this video. And the set that I'm showing you currently is the set that I'm going to use. I've been wanting to do a black and white set, so I am going to use this. This has butterflies and bows in here, and I really like this set a lot. So this is a set I'm going to be using for the design. But after I get packed and settled, I will be back with my weekly uploads. You may or may not be getting 2 uploads a week. I'm going to be doing some changes to my channel and kind of see if I want to keep doing 2 videos a week or if I want to do 1 video a week. So that my content, I'll be back very soon. So just make sure you're still subscribed, and I do appreciate everyone that has been sticking with me through this move. This process has been a lot, and I may or may not do a story time, but let me know if you guys do want a homeowner story time or home buying process story time. Let me know if you want that. So the first 5 kits all come with embellishments and stickers. The next 3 kits are just rhinestones, and they come with this wax pen. So these rhinestones are various sizes. The first one was AB, this one is just clear, and the third one has rhinestones in multiple colors. And all 3 of them do come with the wax pencil, which is extremely helpful if you don't already have one, or you know, if you've packed up your nail room and you can't find it. So this next kit comes with these glitters. They're like flaky, so you can kind of burnish them into the polish. And then it comes with a gel glue. I will be revisiting this kit and this gel glue in an upcoming video because I kind of want to play with it and see how it works. The directions for use are on the back. And these are glitters with hearts and some fine glitter mixed in. These glitters are really pretty, so I'll probably be using these glitters. And the last kit is more glitters, but more of a Halloween theme. So I don't really do Halloween nails or anything like that, so I will be giving this kit away, in an upcoming giveaway. Or I don't know why I keep calling them kits. I guess I should be saying nail decoration set. So like I said, I've packed up most of my nail room. So I'm just using these nail tips that I got off AliExpress and on a nail stand. I did do 2 coats of black and 2 coats of white gel polish, and these are by Makartt. I will link them down below. And on these 2 nails, I'm just using some of the flakies, which you can burnish into the gel polish. So I just did 2 coats of gel polish. I left it sticky, and I'm just putting the glitter right on top of that. And then I'm going to go onto each nail with the glitter and do a line down the middle with the gel polish that I mentioned earlier. So just a really simple design, but like I said, I've been wanting to do a black and white set, and so when I saw this kit, I was like, okay, this is perfect. Do a black and white set with some gold. So that is what you will see me do next. Add the gel polish lines, and once you add those lines, once you do any nail art, you want to make sure that you still fully cure that nail art. You can do it in process, in steps. You could flash cure while you're creating the lines or what have you, but you always want to make sure that you do give it a full cure for 60 seconds after you've completed all of the nail art. So my lines didn't come out perfect, and I'm cleaning them up a little bit, but I have been practicing a lot of my line work. I do have a video recorded that I'll be uploading next with some more line work and it wasn't perfect, but you know, this is a process. So now I'm just going to use some of Makartt's clear poly gel and adhere these bows, and you can adhere like your bigger stones with poly gel. You can use builder gel, you can use base coat, but I prefer something a little bit more heavier, or that'll give me a better hold. So that's why I'm using poly gel, plus everything else is packed up. You can also use acrylic if you want it to as well, to adhere your bigger rhinestones or your bigger embellishments. So once those are adhered, I am going to cure them in the lamp for a minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and top coat around those. I could have top coated before, but this is just the process that I did for this time. So I think this set turned out pretty cute. It's a very simple design. It was very easy to do, and I am excited to play with more of the kids and just come up with some more designs. So definitely in the comments, let me know which kit was your favorite. Let me know which kit you like to see, or set you like to see me use next. And definitely, if you are watching this the first night and you're looking for the links, come back, because once they update their website, I'll be able to go in and update my description box with all the links for each set. So I do appreciate you guys spending your time with me. Once I'm all moved and unpacked and settled, I definitely will be back with a more consistent schedule. So I appreciate you guys sticking by me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you guys soon for another video.